Okay, so it is Sunday, and we're just going to be doing a little bit of cleaning up around the house. I'm going to take you along for the ride and show you some of the technology that I have in my house that makes my life a little bit easier on a day-to-day basis. So let's get into the video right now. But first, music. Okay, so let me just ask you know who for some tunes. Play music to clean the house.
House Cleaning by Movado from Apple Music.
The first order of business, all of this right up in here. I've got a timer set on my Apple Watch just so I know how long this is taking me. And so this is just another piece of equipment that I use to kind of make my life more doable around the house. So let's get into it. It's very important to have a charger in your house. So whether it's a wireless charger, a cord, or one of the USB bricks to keep your phone charged at all times, you gotta have something around at arm's length reach for an emergency situation. So I've got mine here. All right, I have to honestly look up which Dyson this is. I bought it on Amazon, and it is one of the top levels. It's not the V11, but I believe it is the V10. Let's see here. All right, so here we have the Dyson V10 Cyclone Absolute model. I got it on Amazon. It is great for picking up all types of dirt, debris, dust, animal hair. It's one of the top levels until they came out with the newest model, the V11. So check this out in the description below. Dyson V10 Cyclone Absolute model. Let's see how it works. And as you can see here, it's a little view of the tech shelves. We got the Joby Gorilla Pod, as I said, used before, the Amazon Echo Dot. We got a Philips Hue Hub back there, an Apple TV 4th generation, and PlayStation 4. This is my go-to device, as well as the Nintendo Switch down below. And for bonus points, we've got the PlayStation 2 specifically for Guitar Hero. So it's not really a piece of tech, but I'm really happy with my Yamaha F335 acoustic guitar. It's a great buy. I got it at Guitar Center, and I play it time to time, even though it's not that high tech. It's just a lot of fun. It is not yet that dark outside, but I'll give you a little demonstration about some of the other tech I have in my house. I mentioned the Philips Hue Hub before, and I've got a bulb in each of these lamps, so when I get home or whenever I need it to, I can say something like, turn on the living room lamps.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh? And when I'm done for the day, I can also say something like this, since it works with HomePod and Siri as well. Hey Siri, turn off the living room lights. And voila! So I've got more tech in the house, including a Wi-Fi remote garage door opener. I've got some more of those Philips Hue bulbs I can show you around, as well as some of the other knickknacks that you could even have in your home. But I'll save those for another episode in this series. I think I'm done, so for now, I'll tell you know who to take care of this. Hey, turn off the Apple TV. And there she goes. Oh, how could I forget about this? If I wasn't using the Amazon Echo to listen to Apple Music, I would also be using these. That's right, these are my Generation 1 AirPods. Still working, still sound good, and this is just a silicone case from Marvel. Pretty cool, like the way it looks. But at the same time, I will let you know I've been a little bit tempted by the AirPods Pro. I'm waiting to see what the announcement is for AirPods Pro Lite or AirPods 3. Chances are those aren't coming out until 2021, so stay tuned because I'll be talking about those in a future video as well. And there you have it. The timer is done. I gave myself 30 minutes to get all this stuff done, and we have successfully completed Sunday cleaning day. If you liked today's video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below. And even if you're feeling adventurous, you can hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the other videos I'll be posting here on my channel. I'll have all the links for the items I talked about in today's video in the description below. So please make sure to check those out because they're just some pretty cool items you can have around your house as well. They're not sponsored. I'm not getting anything to tell you about them. I just think they're pretty cool. So thanks for coming along in today's episode, everybody. This was a productive day for me and hopefully an interesting day for you to see some of the tech that I use in my house. This was just a demonstration of some of the things that I use on a daily basis, and I'll go more in depth into each of the pieces in future videos as well. So once again, thank you for coming along and spending this Sunday afternoon with me cleaning up around the house. Until next time, this is TJ Askew, signing off. Okay, it's B-roll time. Tell me in the comments below if you noticed that this was a little bit more of a run and gun vlog style versus just a talking head segment. I try to get a little bit more B-roll and some different shots for you guys, so tell me how you like it below. Thank you.